let's take a look at this question. Recalculation of invoice amount and inspection of certain document for authorization or audit procedure to test which of the following assertions. Here what we're doing is basically looking at the numbers, you know, footing and cross-footing, taking the units times the selling price, just to make sure the math is correct. So when we do so, which assertion are we testing? Are we testing the cutoff or are we testing the valuation? Remember, what is the cutoff? The cutoff is it in the proper, is the transaction in the proper period? Is this what we are doing here? No, all we're doing is the math computation. And remember, when we said valuation, we said we're looking at the dollar amount. You're checking the math. So the answer is valuation, not cutoff. Therefore, the answer will be B here, because the cutoff deals with, is it in the proper period? Now, when we are doing so, we can look at the dates, then, you know, look at the record, but that's not what they're doing here. What they're saying is when we do the inspection of certain document, recalculation deals with valuation. That's what you're doing. You are recomputing and making sure the transaction is properly authorized.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.